All right, these are the BCW semi-rigid card holders. I was sending a couple of cards into PSA, so I got these to check them out. Let me just show you what you get. You know, you get a pack of 50 of them. They come like this. When you pull them out, they're kind of a little bit stuck together coming out of there. Not the worst thing in the world. You know, the slots right here, easy to get into. And you can see color-wise, a little bit of a tint on there. See the T206s fit in there pretty good. And obviously that's going to cover the strip cards and all that stuff from those there. But let me show you a couple different eras of card here. You can see I got a T206 Hal Chase throwing in here, and I actually have that inside of the penny sleeve in there. So the penny sleeve fits in there perfectly, just to let you know. Got an older, thicker tops. This thing's beat up, so Schmitty fits in there great. You can see how it fits in there. You've got your, this is a mid-80s tops card, a little bit thinner. You know, you got your Smiling Fred Lynn. You know, that fits in there great. Got your Tommy John, who was named after the surgery. Those of you with no sense of humor are not happy right now. Either way, they fit in there good. They're flexible, they're thin, semi-rigid, exactly what they're supposed to be. Get a pack of 50, come just like this. They do the job as intended.